Welcome back, Mrs. Johnston. It is time for knowledge and science. We are starting today a new unit, Unit 11, where we are talking about taking care of the earth. We are on Lesson 1, Introducing the Earth. All the people in all the towns and cities that you have ever heard about live on the same planet. Can you name the planet on which we live? Did you say Earth? This is a picture of a globe and it shows and represents Earth. All the people, animals, trees, and flowers live together on planet Earth. Over the next couple of weeks, you will be learning more about Earth and how to take care of our planet. Because we all live on Earth together, we need to care for the Earth. We need to keep our planet clean and healthy, just as we would keep ourselves clean and healthy. What would happen if you were to play in a mud puddle? Did you say something like you would get dirty and you would have to clean up? Well, that is the same with Earth. If Earth becomes dirty or polluted, it will be harder for plants, animals, and people to live here. We have to find a way to clean up the pollution. The narrator of the read alouds in this domain is Planet Earth. Do you think that Planet Earth can talk? Did you say no? That's right, Earth cannot talk. But for the next couple of weeks, I'm going to be asking you to use your imaginations and pretend that Earth is actually able to talk. In other words, we're going to pretend that Earth is reading to you, even though that could not happen in real life. What is the name of the planet we live on? Did you say Earth? Great job if you did. Before we begin, work with the adult who's with you and make a list of things that you already know about Earth. And then write down the things that you want to know about Earth. And we will continue to come back to that chart and look at the things that we've written. Listen to today's read aloud to find out what the earth is made of. Remember the three substances or things that make up the earth and why they are important to people. Hi, kids. It's me, Earth. Some people call me the world. Some call me the planet. And some even call me Mother Earth. But you can just call me good old Earth. Earth is the planet on which we live. Earth also means the ground. This is what I look like from outer space, from somewhere beyond our friend the moon. Outer space is the area beyond Earth. The moon, stars, and sun are all objects in outer space. From outer space, I guess I look pretty small. You can see that I am mostly blue. That's because I'm mostly covered with water. But you can also see lots of green and brown. Those are the colors of the land where people live. Of course, I am also covered by a nice blanket of air. You can't see the air, but you can see the white clouds that float around in it. I've been here a long time, and I've seen many things. I just want to tell you that I am truly amazed by you people, and I'm glad you're here with me. You do so many amazing things. I like your farms and your nice little towns. I like the great big cities you've built. They're incredible. I don't even mind the roads you've built all over me. I like to feel your boats floating on my oceans, seas, and lakes, and your airplanes kind of tickle a little as they zoom through my skies. Most of all, I like you kids. I like to feel your little feet running around. I like to hear you laughing. And I especially hope that you enjoy and appreciate all the beautiful and amazing places on my surface. The surface of the earth is its outer layer of land or the ground. Let's take a look at some of these places together. People live on land, but you are not the only living things that depend on or need the land. Animals, plants, and people all need to share the land with each other. The flowers and grasses add such beauty to my surface. Of course, the flowers, trees, and grasses aren't just to be pretty. They're important for all the creatures that live here, from the squirrels and birds that live in the trees, to the bees that buzz around drinking nectar from the flowers, to the animals that eat the grass. It's the same with rivers and other bodies of water, such as lakes and streams. They're nice to look at and nice to swim around in or paddle down in your canoe. But they're also home to many creatures, from fish to snakes and turtles to snails. And the waters are important in many ways for you people, too. Here is a photo of the beautiful sky. On this day, the sun is shining brightly, and a few puffy white clouds are floating through the air. Every time you look up in the sky from now on, I want you to think of the air that's there. You'll want to listen very carefully when I tell you about keeping the air and skies clean. After all, the air is what you breathe every few seconds, every single day. Inhale and exhale deeply. You are breathing air in and out, even though you can't see the air. People are the most intelligent creatures here on earth. You're the ones who built big cities and invented cars and computers. You make medicines for people and animals. You have schools and airplanes and many other important things. You people are truly amazing. You can do many, many things that no other living creature here on earth can do. That gives you extra responsibility. Because you're the smartest, all living things depend on you to take care of me. So it's your job. You're expected to take care of Earth. You have to share the Earth. You're in it together. I want people to truly enjoy living here. Every morning when you wake up and see the sunrise, I hope you will say, "Great! It's the start of another wonderful day on beautiful Earth." To make sure that happens, I need to teach you about something I like to call taking care of Earth. I really need your help making sure that the air, water, and land stay clean so that you and all other living things here can be safe, healthy, and happy. And you kids can really do a lot to help out and to make sure that all the grown ups do their part too. So I hope you'll listen carefully over the next couple of weeks because I have a lot of important things to share with you. What are some of the other names for Earth? Did you remember and respond with the world, the planet, or Mother Earth? Great job. What three things make up the Earth? Did you remember land, water, and air are the three things that make up the Earth? Can you give examples of where you find water on Earth? Did you remember that oceans, lakes, ponds, rivers, and streams are all places that you find water on Earth? Why are land, water, and air important to people? People need land to live on, water to drink, and air to breathe. Why did the author say that people have a special responsibility to taking care of the earth? We are the smartest creatures on earth, and other living things depend on us. Mrs. Johnston hopes you enjoyed the story today of introducing the earth and that you will enjoy this unit.